Good morning. Good morning. And good morning. Look at this apron. This apron, it says rise and shine. So this apron is going to feature about eating healthy and staying healthy. Since I'm an early bird, I usually wake up around 5:30 or 6. I'm done with my 5-kilometer brisk walk, went to the dock, had enough sunshine, showered and changed, and made my juice, my organic juice made from carrots, celery, and apples. And since I'm the kind of person who would go loco if I cannot get my breakfast, so I'm going to make my omelette. It's made of baby spinach, an organic one, then the mushrooms, they're organic, and the basic onions, garlic, and tomato, and I'm using a free-range or cage-free eggs. So I encourage everyone to do a little exercise, whatever form of exercise you want.